Hi, my name is Maura Bain. Spacious, well-maintained brick and unit townhome in the Jamestowne neighborhood in Kempsville. Gas fireplace. 2 primary bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms. One has large walk-in closet. Second one has 2 closets. On a cul-de-sac with many upgrades. All new appliances installed 2 years ago. High-end washer and dryer. Stainless steel in the kitchen. Solid wood kitchen cabinets. Beautiful crown molding. Roof replaced approximately 6 years ago. Replaced HVAC system and carpet 6 years ago. No HOA. Storage closet attached. Shed in the backyard. Conveys as is. Convenient to everything interstate, beaches, bases, shopping etc. Lots of parking on long driveway.